The main challenge of globalization, it's a difficult question because there is, of course, more challenges. What I think would be very important is the ability to share the experience efficiently and also to be able to share the data and to work together to tackle these challenges which we have. There are many reasons. Of course, statistics try to reflect the user needs, but what I think is problematic is the ability to be efficient. It means there are, for example, some problems described theoretically, but the ability to respond in the official statistics there is usually a very long gap, because there must be some consensus, usually some legislation, it needs some capacities, there must be some consensus also among the users, because every user needs something else. So this is not usually easy, and because the world is changing very fast, so we are still a little bit as statisticians, we are still a little bit in the back. I think it would be necessary to increase the operability of the statistical system. It means to react more quickly on the needs, to be able to share the data, to share the experience, to use the examples of successful solutions in some countries and to be able to implement them in other countries. I think the good example of the ability or maybe inability to react to the situation is the case of non-resident trading in the European Union, because as you know, in the European Union, because there are no custom borders, so there is free trade, but still there is a need to measure the trade. So the trade is measured by Intrastat, by statistical survey, but we measure something which is a little bit artificial, because there are no borders for the companies, and they have only one market, but we still in the statistics pretend that there are separate markets, and it makes distortion, like for example VAT trading by non-residents, and it's been described already many years ago theoretically, but only a few countries, included Czech Republic, were able to really solve this consistently and to find a way, but many countries still are not able, from various reasons, to solve efficiently the problem.